to give you a empty house tour. Semi-empty because there's already stuff in here. We're bringing in stuff right now. So anyways, here is the entrance. It's a huge door. And there's a staircase right away. And if you come in here, there's the kitchen. It's a really, really nice kitchen. You know, I'm gonna get down making my cup noodles with shrimp. Just kidding.
Oh yeah, cup noodles.
That's funny. And well, there's the garage and the sink. And then there's like an open space right here so you can see the living room. And so here's the living room. It has like a fake chimney. The TV's gonna go there. I'm just putting all my stuff in here, so I'll put it away later. But anyways, here is the whole living room. This is literally as big as the house where we live in right now in Westmoreland. And let me show you guys really quick. We do have like a little backyard. It's not as big, but at least the children could go outside for a bit. Our hairy children are gonna have a blast in this house. So this is what it looks like from this angle. And this is just a closet right here. And if we go upstairs, this first door is a restroom. And then if we go upstairs, okay, I have to do this every day and I'm already tired. Okay, once we get upstairs, there's a restroom right here. And it has 2 sinks. Very nice. A nice big mirror. A nice toilet and bathtub. So yeah, it's a pretty roomy bathroom. There's the stairs again. I'm out of breath. Okay. And here's the first room. This is going to be our office. Yeah, it's pretty roomy. And then if we come over here, there's some cabinets here. And then this is the master bedroom. At the entrance, there's these cabinets right here. I don't know what I'm gonna use that for, but here's the room. It's pretty big. And it has 2 closets. Here's the first one. It's big. I actually have a closet now, so I'm really excited about that. This one's gonna be my boyfriend's side, and this is going to be my side because it's bigger. So yeah, and I could actually have a vanity here because the room is actually big. And then here's the restroom. It doesn't have a door. So here's the shower, and then here's the sinks. There's 2 of them. My boyfriend already chose that side. This one's my side. And it has like a big tub right there and big windows. And then over here, there's a toilet. That's that. Pretty big room. And then if we go outside again, we could see the laundry room, which is this one right here. And it has storage. So that's good. And then over here there's the other 2 bedrooms. They're pretty small. I think they're like about the same size of our regular room. Our regular room right now in Westmoreland. So yeah, it's pretty small. And it has a closet as well. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use one of these 2 bedrooms as a filming room. We will see. And it has a closet as well. So yeah. That's the whole house, you guys. I'm really excited. I've never lived in a 2-story house before. I just don't like that there's carpet. I don't like carpet. And my boyfriend's bringing everything in. So yeah, there's my beautiful car, and here's the outside world. My boyfriend brought a car, and I drove this one today. And through this door, you could actually go outside in the yard. So let me show you guys. So it's really small, but at least my dogs could stretch their legs or whatever. So yeah, this is it. That's the whole house. So yeah, anyways, let me know what you guys think. I'm not sure how I'm going to decorate because I don't know, I feel like I'm not good at decorating, but we shall see. And hopefully I didn't move the camera too fast. If I did, I'm sorry, you guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's